Are you moving to Texas? Well, if so, have you heard about Collin County? Hey guys, today I'm going to share a little bit about Collin County and 5 reasons why Collin County is like the must place to live. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard and I am a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and I've been selling houses for over 12 years now. I started in new home construction like 14 years ago, and before that I bought and sold my own investment properties. So if you are looking for a house in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, hey, reach out to me. You can fill out my dream home questionnaire below, and that'll help you to get started. It'll help tell me what you love and what you are looking for in a dream home. So let's talk about Collin County. If you haven't heard yet, Collin County is like the hot spot in Dallas. So it is the 7th most populous county, not city, I almost said city. It's the 7th most populous county in the state of Texas, and there's a good reason for that. Now, Collin County encompasses I'd say world famous. Well, how about Texas famous cities like Frisco, McKinney, we have Allen, Plano, Fairview, Melissa is up and coming. And so Collin County has the cities that people are wanting to move to. Lucas and Wiley are definitely on the top of the radar as well. So Collin County, let's get started. So the first reason people love living in Collin County is because of the plethora of job opportunities. We're talking like Plano. Plano is like a mini city. It actually has a few tall buildings as well as beautiful shopping areas. And but not just Plano, but for new ventures, for employment, there are many enterprises moving in, many people from California or many business owners from California or New York are moving into Collin County because the prices are still pretty good. The taxes are low for business purposes. And there's just a plethora of job opportunities, whether in the medical field, teachers, business owners. Collin County is a great place to be. And if there's good job opportunities, then guess what happens? Housing. So the second reason Collin County makes for a great place to live is the housing there is beautiful. It's beautifully developed, and the cost of housing is still relatively low compared to other parts of our country. And for what you can get here, it's just beautiful. Now, I do want to set your expectations on the south side of Collin County. If you want a home under $500,000, you can get a new home, but you're probably looking more at resale, okay? You can find a home for $275,000. You're looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in probably the 70s, may need a little bit of renovating. But if you have a budget of say $500,000 or more, we can find you a new home. If you have a budget of $1 million or more, there are some beautiful gated communities in Collin County. The third reason people love living in Collin County is because the majority of the schools there are top notch. And so when I help people that are like, Dana, help me find a place to live in Dallas-Fort Worth, it's such a vast area and they want help narrowing down where to live. Many times the first thing they want is a good school district. And so Collin County is in no shortage of great schools. They are known for great schools. So Frisco ISD, Allen ISD, Plano ISD, you also have Lovejoy ISD, which is up there like top notch. The Lovejoy, it's a small ISD located at the east side of Allen with Fairview. It's a really superb school district. So, but Frisco and all the other school districts around there are really good as well. You most definitely can find dual credit opportunities in these school districts, and a good prep system for SATs, which my son is 17 years old, and we just went through that whole process of trying to prep him for the SATs, and he did get some scholarships, thank the Lord. But you know, SAT prep is a big deal because colleges do look at the SATs, and Collin County is real strong in that department on college readiness. The fourth reason Collin County is a must place to live is because there are many activities for your family to enjoy. So whether you like the outdoors or indoor activities, there's many things to choose from. So there's plenty of shopping. Like, this is like the shopping capital is in Plano and Frisco and Allen. It's just, I mean, you just have to see these malls to believe it. They are just gorgeous, high-end shopping, and you can even get some good deals out there. There are many parks, there are opportunities if you love golfing, there are golf courses. In fact, the PGA is moving to Collin County very soon. So the fifth reason I say thumbs up for Collin County is the way they have developed this county. I tell people all the time, I don't know if it's the county or the cities or if it's the cities keeping up with the Joneses, but the development of Collin County is just beautiful. So they have developed it so well, so nice, that you can't help but drive through like Frisco. This is why Frisco gets a great name, and Plano is drive through going, wow, it's beautiful here. It's beautiful because they've developed it beautifully. So it's a little different from other cities, like I would say compared to Fort Worth, where I say Fort Worth has a country feel, not because it's a country by any means, it's definitely a big city, but it has a country feel because there's a lot of you know, this developer developed this area and they did really well, and then right here it's a bunch of warehouses, and then here it's just a hodgepodge of different developers. So some developments are very nice and other developments, and then it can be across the street from warehouses. So the difference is when you go to Collin County, it just seems like everywhere you go, the developers had like a big picture plan versus, hey, let's just develop this land or develop that land. It's just developed beautifully. Hey, so if you are thinking about moving to Collin County or the Dallas-Fort Worth area in general, hey, reach out to me. You can call, text, or email me. I also have a dream home questionnaire link below that if you click on that link, it'll send it to me and my team, and we'll get you set up on a search, and we will help you discover the best place for your family to live here in Texas. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications, and watch these next videos.